Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use Grammarly on Google Docs. You do need the extension from Google Chrome. So go to Web Store here and you are going to find Grammarly. Oops. And you are just going to add the extension to your Google Chrome. So add to Chrome and add extension. And you're just going to enable it, next, continue to Grammarly. And as you can see, it is here. You can even pin it to put it on top. And here, as you can see, it's going to reload the Google Docs. And then you can take a quick tour on how Grammarly works. Next, finish. So whenever you incorrectly type something, I'm just going to type something here. It will automatically type in the correct word. So here, it will change it to the actual word, as you can see. And you can open Grammarly here. You can also turn it off here, I think, for this website. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!